Is your 2021-2023 Hyundai Elantra key fob not working reliably? It likely needs a new CR2032 battery. These batteries typically last 1 to 3 years. A weak signal or dim LED indicates a low battery. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, costing $2 to $5, and a small flathead screwdriver or coin. First, locate the small notch on the side of your key fob. Gently pry open the case using your tool. Remove the old battery, noting which side is up. Positive side usually faces up. Insert the new battery in the same orientation. Finally, snap the case back together. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. Avoid excessive force when opening the fob to prevent damage. Ensure the battery contacts are clean. Dispose of the old battery responsibly by recycling it. If the fob still doesn't work, the PCB may be damaged, requiring professional assistance from a dealership. Keep the fob dry to prevent corrosion. While DIY replacement saves about $70 compared to dealership service, consider future trends. Key fobs are evolving. Future models may use capacitive or wireless charging systems, eliminating replaceable batteries. Also, watch for third-party apps that can monitor key fob health, predicting battery replacements.